Namaste, welcome to NitYAM Yoga. I am Nitin. Today we will explore a simple yet powerful breathing practice called Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or Alternate Nostril Breathing. This ancient yogic technique cleanses your energy channels and bringing balance, calmness and clarity to your body and mind. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders and take a deep breath. Take a moment and think. How often do we feel stuck in the rush of life? The endless deadlines, the stress, and hours wasted scrolling on our phones. We keep chasing distractions yet feel more disconnected and exhausted. Do you feel life is moving too fast, like you are always busy but never at peace? But every difficulty is an opportunity to pause, reflect, and rediscover inner harmony. There is a way to shift this energy, to calm the storm within. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or Alternate Nostril Breathing. Nadi Shuddhi is more than just a breathing technique, it's a way to balance your inner energy and quiet the mind. The word Nadi means energy channel and Shuddhi means purification. By practicing this pranayama, you clear your energy pathways, bringing harmony between your body, mind and emotions. It is simple, yet the effects are profound. Let's practice it together now. Sit comfortably with your back straight, shoulders relaxed and hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes gently. Bring your left hand in Gyan Mudra, tip of the thumb and index finger touching and other fingers extended. And bring your right hand into Nasagra Mudra. Fold your index and middle fingers, leaving other fingers extended. Now close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Feel the breath entering, cool and calming. Now close your left nostril, open your right nostril, then exhale fully through your right nostril. Again inhale through your right nostril, close your right and exhale completely through your left nostril. This complete one cycle. Let's practice together. Inhale through your left nostril and slowly exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril. Slowly exhale through your left nostril. Again inhale through left and exhale through right. Inhale through right and slowly exhale through left. Practice for next 3 to 5 minutes at your own pace. One thing you have to remember, inhale as slow and long as possible and exhale as slow and long as possible. Take your time. Long and slow inhalation and long and slow exhalation. With every inhale, imagine fresh energy flowing into your body. With every exhale, release any tension or heaviness you are carrying. Feel your body relaxing and your mind becoming clear and centered. When your breath is balanced, your life becomes balanced. With each breath, you are reconnecting with your inner self. As you balance your energy, you start to experience more calm, joy and clarity. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of ease, feeling connected to your family, enjoying your work and embracing life's adventures with a peaceful heart. This is the power of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, bringing harmony, balance and positivity into your life. Thank you for joining me today. May this practice bring calmness and clarity to your life. Remember, the journey to peace begins with a single breath. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to NitYAM Yoga. Together let us breathe, balance and become. Namaste.